Good morning, children. Today we will continue with chapter 4, simple equations. Today we will start with exercise 4.3, in which we will have to solve the equations but using the transposing method. You must remember that in our last class I taught you how to solve the equations using transposing method. Now let us start. First question of exercise 4.3, in which these equations are given. First equation is 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. So from left hand side we will take 5 by 2 towards the right hand side. Its sign will be changed from positive, it will become negative. Now on solving right hand side we have got 32 upon 2 on right hand side. Now on left side it is 2y and on right hand side it is 32 upon 2. Now to find the value of variable y, we will have to shift this 2 towards the right hand side. Here 2 is multiplying, so when it will be shifted that side, it means 2 will divide. But you all know that when we divide the fraction with any number, we multiply with its reciprocal. This you have learnt in chapter 2. So 32 will be cancelled by 2, that is 16, and 16 will be divided by 2, that is 8. So the value of variable y is 8. Now B is your homework. I am explaining you C. A upon 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. So from LHS we will take this 3 towards right hand side. From positive it will become negative. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So it will be A upon 5 is equal to minus 1. Now from left hand side we will take this 5 towards the right hand side, because it is dividing, so that side it will multiply. So minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. Now D is your homework. I am explaining you E. 5 by 2x is equal to 10. So from LHS we will take this 2 which is dividing, so on right hand side it will multiply 10. 10 into 2 is 20. Now again to separate the variable, we will take this 5 towards right hand side. Here it is multiplying, so that side it will divide. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So variable x is equal to 4. Yes. Now next equation, 5 by 2x is equal to 25 upon 4. So first we will take this 2 towards the right hand side. LHS it is dividing, so on right hand side it will multiply. So it will be 25 upon 4 into 2. Now this 4 can be cancelled by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So what is left on the right hand side? 25 upon 2. Now again from left hand side we will take this 5 towards right hand side, because it is multiplying on left hand side, so right hand side it will divide. So again we will multiply with its reciprocal, because we are dividing a fraction. So 25 upon 2 into 1 upon 5. So 5 will divide this 25 by 5 only. So what is left? 5 by 2. So the value of variable x is 5 by 2. Now equation number G. 7m plus 19 upon 2 is equal to 13. Children, here many times I have noticed that students used to do the mistake. When we take 19 upon 2, they thought that 2 we can take that side, it will multiply. But it is not only 2, it is 19 upon 2 which is added with 7m. So when we will have to take 19 upon 2 together towards the right hand side, and its sign will be changed, it will become negative. So it will be 7m is equal to 13 minus 19 upon 2. Now we will solve 13 minus 19 upon 2. You all know LCM of the denominators will be 2. 13 is a whole number, it means its denominator is 1. 1 and 2, LCM is 2 only. Now 2 into 13 is 26, and here it will be 19 only. Now 26 minus 19 is 7, so it will be 7 upon 2. Now again to find the value of variable m, we will have to take 7 from left hand side towards right hand side. Here it is multiplying with m, so on RHS it will divide. So again we are dividing the fraction 7 by 2 with 7. It means we will have to multiply it with its reciprocal, that is 1 upon 7. 7 and 7 will be cancelled, so what is left? 1 by 2. So children, your homework is question number 1, B, D, H, I and J. So complete these sums in your notebook and also do your homework. Thank you, children.